Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Btech Khaka. In this video, I will explain two big MNC companies job and I will share the job link in the description box as well as. And before starting the video, I kindly request you to please do subscribe for more updated videos and job alerts. It is helpful to me to make more videos on this job. And back to video. The company name is JPMorgan. Everyone knows about this company. They are hiring for they clearly mention that the job category is testing and the location is Bombay. Guys, it is India only. It is full time. And guys, JPMorgan company is one of the best company to start a career for the fresher who wants to start their career in MNC. This company is excellent guys, no doubt on it. And who are eligible for this drive? Bachelor degree or graduate degree students can easily apply, and they did not mention any graduate year, so that everyone can apply. And before applying to this job, make sure that update your resume, then apply to this drive. And next is from the Wipro. Wipro is hiring for the service desk analysis L1. The job location is Pune guys, and guys, they are posted on the 12th of June, which means yesterday. You can apply easily guys. I think CTC is around 3 to 6 LPA, and it is good guys. Wipro is also one of the leading MNC companies in India. Make sure that update your resume before applying to this job, and I will share both job links in the video description. And that's enough guys. I kindly request you to please do subscribe for the more updated videos. Thank you guys. That's enough. Have a nice day.